Hello everyone. In this video we will learn more about Python operators. Exponent operator. The exponent operator raises the left operand to the power of the right. For example, 2 exponent 5 means to raise the power of 5. So in this picture you can see this is the 2 asterisk is the exponent operator and result equal to 2 exponent operator 5. So it will give the result 32. So using this operator you can find the exponent operator. Assignment operator. We have used equal operators numerous times up until now. It is an assignment operator. Assignment operator is used in Python to assign values to variables. For example, a equal to 5 and name equal to Jack Smith. Here we have assigned 5 to the variable a. Similarly, we have assigned Jack Smith string to the variable name. More example of assignment operator. So let us consider this program. X equal to 100. This means x is assigned 100. X equal to x plus 5. This means 5 is added to x. The result is assigned to the variable x itself, and print x, the value of x is printed on the screen. Now we will see second example of equal operator. So in Python you can assign multiple values to multiple variables at once. Here in this example you can see a comma b comma c equal operator, and then 5 comma 3.2 hello. So here a contains 5, b contains 3.2 and c contains hello. So we can also assign the same value to multiple variables. For example, here you can see x equal to y equal to z equal to hello. So hello is assigned all the 3 variables x, y and z. More assignment operators. Here in this list you can see the multiple operators here, and with the examples and equivalent what is the actual meaning. Here first we can see plus equal to. This means we can use this plus equal to. Here you can see x plus equal to 5. So this is the x plus 5. If I write minus equal to, so this is the example x minus equal to 5. So x equal to x minus 5. So actually this is the shorthand operators, we can use it. Multiply and equal to, this means x equal x multiple equal to 5. This means x equal to x into 5. So we can use, here you can see the more assignment operators and we can use it. Here you can see the example of assignment operator, x equal to 10 and x plus equal to 5. So you can say this is the x equal to x plus 5, and x, if I'll print, so it will give the output 15. Operator precedence. Consider this example. Print 10 minus 4 multiplied by 2. So it will give the output 2. So the output of the above example will be 2, not 12. It is because the order operator precedence of multiplication is higher than meaning, higher than minus. Multiple operations is carried out before minus operator. So this is known as operator precedence. It guides the order in which operation is carried out. Consider one more example. Here you can see in this picture, print 10 minus 4 multiplied by 2, its output is equal to 12. Here you can see one thing, 10 minus 4 enclosed in a parenthesis. So first, the parenthesis precedence is higher than multiple sign. So first it will find 10 minus 4. So this is 10 minus 4 equal to 6, and then multiply 6 into 2 equal to 12. So this is called operator precedence. Operator precedence list. The operator precedence in Python is listed below from higher order to lower order. So in this picture you can see parenthesis is a higher order, then exponent operator. So you don't need to remember that order. You can always search the operator precedence on the web if you have any confusion. Also make habit of using parenthesis operator to solve. It makes your code easier to understand. For example, here you can see both the expression, so that always parenthesis is easier to understand than the normally written expressions. So now we have seen different type of operators and operator precedence. In next video we will see something Boolean expressions and next topic of Python. Till then, goodbye.